Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can download the latest version of Python on your PC, that is 3.14.3. So let's start the video. First of all, go to your browser and here just type Python, download, click it, and the official website python.org will appear on the screen. This is the first first result after the search. Click it to open. And here on top you can select the download option, and here keep the cursor on the download option, and here you can see the latest version Python 14.3. click it, and after that it will automatically begin to install, download the exe file. So I'm gonna select this icon, the open option here. So here the installation wizard is open, so select the customize option here, and here you can see all of them are selected. The pip will install all the Python package, and the IDLE will develop environment. So keep all of this as it is and select next, and make sure to select install all Python 3.14 for all users, and I'm going to keep all this as it is. You can also change the installation location, so I'm going to click the install option here, select yes, and as you can see the installation process has begun. So we have to wait for it to fully install on our device. As you can see the installation is successful. So to make it sure that we successfully install the latest version of Python, I am going to the command prompt, like typing the cdm on the start, that is the command prompt. Click it, and here type Python, Python space dash version, and enter. As you can see the Python 3.14.3 is installed on my PC, so we have successfully installed the latest version of the Python. So this is the video, and I hope this is a helpful video for you guys, and I will see you on the next one.